What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open shared ThinkScripts or shared workspaces using the ThinkorSwim platform by TD Ameritrade. So what you're going to want to do at the main screen, which I have open right here, at the very top right, you're going to click on the Setup tab up here next to the home screen, messages, support chat, setup. You'll see the setup with the little gears. You're going to click on that and you're going to click on open shared item. Once you click on that, it'll bring up this box here where you can input in the link, and when you get the link, it'll look something like this. Just simply go to the top of the web address bar up here, copy the link to your clipboard, or if you're on Twitter and you get the link from a friend, just copy the link. It won't let you right click on the mouse and hit paste, so what you have to do is use your keyboard, hit Control V to input the link into this box. Then you're going to click preview and it's going to load the ThinkScript up and you're going to click open. Once you open it, this will pop up here. The ThinkScript study has been saved. What you want to do to easily find it is you want to click the rename tab here. Once you click the rename tab, this will pop up. Whatever the ThinkScript is or whatever will help you remember what it is, simply title it whatever you want. Once you title it whatever you want, click OK. Then click the little chemist valve up here at the top, and then this will pop up. You'll have a little search bar here at the little top left. Type in whatever ThinkScript it is that you just saved to ThinkorSwim, and it will instantly pop up for you. Double click or click it, and then click Add Selected, and it will bring it over to the right side here, and then you're going to click apply and then OK, and it will add it to your chart. That's how you open and save ThinkScripts from other people. Now let's say that you have a ThinkScript or a workspace that you want to personally share with somebody. How do you share that? With my history in using ThinkorSwim for 5 years, I don't know why, but they keep changing this subject on how you share ThinkScripts. It used to be you could go into the indicator settings, you could just simply find the indicator, right click on it, and click share. Now that I do that, you see that that option isn't available anymore. Even if you go into the settings of the indicator, you can't really find where to share it. And I've looked everywhere by right clicking on it. Even when I add it to my charts, you don't see no share button. And then what you used to be able to do as well, if you had the indicator on your chart, you could right click on it and it would say share. Even up here, it doesn't have it where you could share it when I right click on it. So the way I figured it out, how I can share it, sure, you see this big share button up here, but that's only if you want to share your workstation or a specific chart. A chart with all of your indicators or without your indicators. The only way I figured out how to share indicators is by going into the indicator settings, finding the indicator that you want to share. So let's say we want to share the MACD here. Right click on it, click duplicate, and once you click duplicate, click this share button right there. You can name the study to the original study, MACD2. So MACD02. And then click share, and it will create a share link for you. Click share, and then it copied it to your clipboard, and then you're able to paste that link and share it with other people. It is a little bit of a weird process, but that's the only way I know of that you can share indicators or an indicator that you've built and you want to share it with a buddy or a community of people. I don't know why they keep changing it, the way you share this stuff. I do wish they'd make it a lot more easier. The process that I just had to do, created another MACD indicator and already this long list of indicators to go through. And then something I just noticed too with ThinkorSwim, they also took out the community section on the platform. You used to be able to go to either the tools or the education, and they had a specific area where people could talk to each other and share stuff as a community. They took that out. I don't know why. Maybe people weren't using it, but the only way to access something similar to that is to go to the support chat, go to the chat rooms, and then from here they have multiple chat rooms, and it tells you how many people are in those chat rooms. And they have the Benzinga Squawk Box, the Global News, Futures Cast, ThinkScript Lounge. So if you're interested in ThinkScripts or have an idea for a ThinkScript or need help with ThinkScripts, there could be somebody in this ThinkScript Lounge that's a coder and that could possibly help you out in creating your own ThinkScript. They also have shadow traders, swim lessons, trader lounge. That's the only way and the only community that I know of on ThinkorSwim. I don't know what they did with the community tab on the platform itself. And then another feature I want to point out in a little surprise for the end of this video, you can look at all of the release notes on ThinkorSwim. They're always putting out new releases and updates for ThinkorSwim. So go through and check out, see everything that they've added recently and in the past to get the best out of this platform. That's how you learn how to use this platform and see what this platform has to offer, all the features that it has. And it has many. It may seem very complicated to learn this trading platform. Once you get around it and use it and click around in it, it becomes very easy to understand and use. I'm making this video on February 16th of 2020. I'm going into the release notes here for February 15th, 2020. And if I scroll all the way down, they give a little teaser here of a blurred image. And what this blurred image is BookMap. And all it says is teaser, something new is coming. And then this image. Charts like you've never seen before. That wraps it up for this release. Keep your eyes peeled for new and exciting things in the near future. Happy trading, the support team. They have this blurred image with a big question mark on it. And what this is BookMap. And if you're not familiar with BookMap, and I'm sure if you've been around in the trading community, you've seen other traders using this and talking about this. It's something that I've always seen but never really dove into and was interested in, because the way I look at it, there are a lot of things out there to use as a trader, and there's lots of things out there that people like to charge for. And if you get into all that stuff, it really adds up. And you got to be very selective about what you choose to pay for as tools to help you as a trader and an investor. And with this, ThinkorSwim giving a little teaser about it, I'm really curious to see what ThinkorSwim offers with BookMap here. Leave down in the comments down below. Tell me what you think. Are they going to give it to us for absolutely free by teaming up with BookMap? Or are they going to make it like a third-party connection that you can add to ThinkorSwim, but you still got to sign up for the monthly subscription? And the monthly subscription, the basics of it, it looks like for Bitcoin, it's free. If you're into cryptocurrency trading, it's absolutely free. This is very blinding. But if you're into stocks and futures, they put a charge on it from $40 a month to $80 a month. If you're signed up for something like this, $80 a month, and then you're signed up to a chat room that's charging $300 a month, and then you're signed up for a stock screener or scanner that's $150 a month, That's around $500 to $600 a month you're paying in subscription fees. And that's not including all of your bills in your personal life, like your gas, cable, rent, electric, insurance. You know, all that stuff really adds up. Netflix, Hulu subscriptions, Spotify subscriptions, you know, it all adds up in your daily life. So far on the BookMap site, from the connectivity, so far they have TradeStation, Interactive Brokers, DXFeed, and Cedro. They haven't put on here yet that they've teamed up with ThinkorSwim. I'm guessing that it's going to be a third-party app that you can add on to ThinkorSwim. You're going to have to sign up for the monthly subscription. I don't think they'll give it to you for absolutely free. Definitely a little cool feature. I could be totally off. They could, you know, blow everybody away and offer it to everybody for free. I don't know. But I just wanted to make a fun little video, show you guys how to share custom ThinkScripts and ThinkorSwim, talk about a few key topics, point some things out. I hope you are all having a great day. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders. If you're still here, go into my channel, check it out, see all of the hard work and dedication that I've put into these videos. I currently have over 300 videos and I've made multiple playlists categorizing all of my video ideas and all of my videos for you guys. So many great and knowledgeable content on my channel for you all to learn from trading psychology, technical analysis, broker reviews, book reviews, trading DVD reviews, how-to videos on trading platforms and charts, how I set up, trading secrets, all kinds of stuff, ThinkScripts, stock market history, my favorite YouTube channels. The list goes on and on and on. I have so many great videos on my channel and I'm growing more and more each day. So subscribe, join this growing community, and learn as a trader and an investor. This is only the beginning, I promise you. And I plan on putting out more exciting and knowledgeable, fun videos in the future. If you guys have any video ideas on what you would like to see me cover, leave comments down below. Show some love, hit that like button, and until next time everybody, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. Later everybody.
The most valuable commodity I know of is information. Wouldn't you agree?